Facing USB ports not working on Windows 11? Learn 4 easy fixes in this video, including updating USB drivers, running repair commands, performing a system file check, and restarting your PC. Solve your USB connection issues quickly with these simple troubleshooting steps. Open Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click each USB device, select Update Driver, choose Browse My Computer, then Let me pick from a list, and follow prompts. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Copy a repair command from the tutorial's description, paste it, and press Enter. In Command Prompt, type sfc/scano and hit Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Reboot your PC to apply fixes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.